welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Australis Nude Dazzle Nude Eyeshadow Palette. Look how pretty this is. I mean, come on. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I've never used any of the Australis eyeshadows before, so I'm very, very excited. So let's grab a brush. Where is it? Trying to find my favorite blending brush, but oh well, okay. Let's take this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with, I think, this color right here. So this little color. I'm going with this color. Oh, that is, oh, they've got the colors on the back. So there's white chocolate, coconut, salted caramel, hazelnut, praline, marzipan, macadamia, almond cluster, truffle, peanut, brittle, rocky road, cherry ripe. What does that say? Grand cherry? Grand cherry? G-A-N-A-C-H-E. Okay, I can't pronounce that one. Cinnamon, mocha, passion fruit, cream, toffee, Belgian, I think, B-E-L-G-I-A-N, Belgian, or bagel, I think, I'm not sure. Fudge, bittersweet. So they're the names. So I think this one I've gone into, I think that's peanut brittle. I think this is peanut brittle. So let's try this out. Okay, I've got a mirror over here, so let's just see. Ooh! Okay. A bit more. There's a little bit of, flat in the pan, but that's okay. Ooh! Oh wow! Okay, look at that. Let me zoom you guys in. Look at that! Look at that pigment, yeah. I'm just gonna blend this out. Ah, there it is. My favorite brush. That blends out really nice. Look at that. I grab one of the light colours too. So I'm just going to grab marzipan. This is a light pink one. I'm just going to put that there too. Just kind of soften it. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Take peanut praline. Wow, look at that. You guys see that? Like, look at that. Wow. Wow. Like, I'm shook. Wow. I'm really surprised at how pigment these are. Wow. I guess all I can say is wow. Like, they're really good. Alright, I'm going to take marzipan and just soften this. I'm going to darken the crease with this top color. So this top color is praline. So, whoopsies. Alright. So I'm going to take praline right here, and I'm going to use this brush I used first because I like this brush for pressing. I like it. These are really nice colors. I really like this. I really like how the colors blended out. I like them. Okay, now I'm just gonna put something now for the lid. I'm gonna put a flat brush, and we're going to take macadamia, which is this color right here. It's pretty pink. Ooh, wow. That picks up a lot. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Wow. And that was applied dry. Let's try wet. Let's grab my Morphe Strawberry Mist. This stuff. Yeah, it's just... There we go. I love strawberries. Love it. Ooh, hello. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. I like it. I like this color. It's so pretty. I like it. Look at that. I mean, can you see how gorgeous this color is, you guys? Like, wow. It's beautiful. All right. No. Cut. I'm impressed. Like, I am impressed, you guys. Like, let me just grab a... Wow. Okay, other than the little bits of fallout, which happens, I'll just grab my big brush, swipe away. I really like this eye look. I really do. It's so pretty. I love the two colors and how nicely they blend together. Let me zoom in. Look at this. I mean, oh, come on. Hello. Ooh, look at how lovely those colors just blend together. This looks so nice. Looks really nice. I am impressed. Wow. Okay, now I'm just going to take a mix of praline and peanut brittle. And we're going to mix those two and put them on the lower lash line. Now here's a trick if any of you guys have trouble applying eyeshadow to your lower lash line. Just stare into your mirror like this. Like you're having a staring contest, and just go lightly back and forth like this. Okay? That's all you do. So you do this. Very quick and easy. I'm really impressed by this palette, you guys. I'm really, really impressed. Really impressed. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take I'm just gonna take this brush again, wipe off the excess. I've got a towel on my bench, so I'm just wiping off the excess. And I'm going to take marzipan, no, white chocolate. And I'm going to use this. Back and forth, back and forth. No, I think I'm right. Take a pointed brush. Put some in the corners. There we go. Wow. like this eye look. I really do. It's so pretty. Wow. And look at my other colors, you guys. Like, I mean, I only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used like 5 colors to create this look. I'm definitely gonna have to play with this palette a bit more and use more of these colors, especially like these ones right here. And especially that gold. Oh my god, let's quickly just swatch it for real quick. That is gorgeous. Okay. Let's finish the rest of my makeup. Okay, I'm just gonna take some mascara. What else do I need? Blush. Where's my blush and my highlighter? I got new blushes and highlighters, you guys. I've been trying out Makeup Revolution London. I got these at Priceline. So good. Oh my god. Like, I'm trying out their highlighting palette. Amazing. Their blush palette is just fantastic. Like, I've used like these two quite a bit. And I've been trying their brow pomade. This stuff is amazing. I use this with my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. These two together, oh my god, best brow combo ever. Like, so good. Like, really, really good. So I'm just going to take my blush brush. This brush is the 106 from Australis. I'm just going to take this pink, that coral, just kind of mix them two together. Kind of mix some blushes together. Tap, 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 tap. I really love this palette, you guys. If you haven't tried it, go to Priceline and get it. It's so good. It so is. You get 8 blushes in this palette. 8. I think this was, I can't remember how much it was, but it was a good price. And oh, this highlight palette is just amazing. There we go. Nice. I like a nice subtle blush. There we go. Now I'm going to take my highlighting palette. Oh, I'll put on mascara first. Using the Lash Paradise one from L'Oreal. This is a good one. I'm looking over there because I've got my mirror. Okay. Now I'm going to take my glitter. I'm going to dip in. I think I'm going to dip into this pink one right here. Pink and purple. We'll mix. I didn't wet my brush, but just doing a light highlight. Wow. Wow. I love this highlight. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna set everything. Oh, lipstick. I think I'll do a nude. Yeah, I'll do this color. There's my lip liner. Aha. just very lightly did my, oh wait, actually, hold on a sec. Actually, I won't do this one. Great envy. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this lipstick. If it doesn't look good, I'll take it off. Okay, this lip color goes really well. So I use the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in 02 Grey Envy. This is really, really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna pop everything away. I like this palette a lot, you guys. It's really nice. I really like it. It's a really good palette. Okay. I'm gonna set everything. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. So, I really like this palette, you guys. I love that you have like so many different options to create different looks. Like you've got like some dark eyeshadows to create like a smoky eye, a nice pretty black, got some neutrals and some shimmers. I really like this palette. I'm definitely gonna have to keep playing with it and keep using it, but I really like this palette. This is a very nice palette for like winter, for like an autumn and stuff like that. It's got very autumn colors. Yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, I really like this palette. This retails for $24, but I got this on sale for about 12 bucks, which was really good. Considering how many eyeshadows you get, it's pretty impressive. Yeah, so yeah, I really, really like this palette. It was really good. Really, really good. I was very happy with how the shadows blended. Yeah, I really like this palette. Definitely going to keep using it, especially with those shimmers. Ooh. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, if you have any requests for any videos, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye bye guys. Love ya.